I will be talking about how global change is causing an increase in harmful algae. As global change is continuously occurring, the Earth is getting warmer, which allows oceans to absorb more heat. Over time, as more heat is getting absorbed by the ocean, it causes an increase in sea surface temperatures. You may think, but why is that a bad thing? That means warmer beaches, right? Well, not exactly. When the surface layer is continuously warm, in the deep layer, the oxygen level drops as it is absorbed by the sediments at the bottom. This is called the process of stratification. The increase in sea surface temperature rising has caused algae blooms to grow out of control. These harmful blooms also tend to form when there is too much nitrogen and phosphorus in the ocean. Higher temperatures reduce surface water viscosity, which causes nutrient diffusion to the cell surface, which is crucial when species compete for their resources. So, what are algae blooms? Algae blooms are algae that has been overly produced due to warm water, typically over 75 degrees. Algae is a living organism that is an important component in our ecosystem. But when expanded, these blooms now contain cyanotoxins that are harmful to the environment as well as people and animals. Here are a few examples of what harmful algae blooms can look like. Harmful blooms can range from a blue-green, brown, red, to even orange color. The growth of algae blooms creates a harmful environment for animals in the ocean since algae is an important resource of the aquatic food chain. Harmful algae blooms can cause fish's gills to close up, preventing them from receiving oxygen and eventually dying. Not only does it affect species in the ocean, but also other animals like dogs. Some effects from the toxins can include tiredness, vomiting, diarrhea, and can also lead to heart or organ failure. If you notice algae blooms in the water, it is important to keep your dogs out of it. Algae blooms are also a threat to people due to the neurotoxins. Neurotoxins can affect a person's nervous system by killing the neurons, preventing normal daily activities. Although we can't prevent algae blooms caused by global change, there are a few ways to reduce its growth. For instance, we can limit our usage of fertilizer or use phosphorus-free fertilizer for yards, farms, and gardens. Using less fertilizer will help reduce the amount of nutrients that flow into the bottom of the ocean. We can also be more cautious with our waste disposal at home, such as not flushing down chemical products or prescribed medicine. Lastly, we can raise more awareness as a community to ensure our ecosystems stay as clean as they can be. Thank you for listening.